Hello everybody, welcome back to Ingridjoyaromas. Today I have something very surprising to show you because I've never really made this serum before, and so I'm gonna show you a different way how to make this face serum for oily skin. So let's go. You can see what I'm doing here. Using 2 teaspoons, which I'm just going to not use the teaspoon but just pour it in a bottle, and I'm going to be using a roller bottle instead. And so and then I'm going to be using the vitamin E. And then you know what I'm going to be doing, guys? I am just going to throw the recipe in front for you guys to follow. So let me go ahead and tell you what I am doing. So these are the oils I'm using, and then I'm gonna be, like I said before, I will give you some information and what's going on here. So let me go ahead, guys, and show you, get my stuff ready and show you what I'm doing here. So I have a small syringe, and then I have my roller bottle, and let me see if I can find my funnel to go here. Give me a second. Well, no funnel. I have no clue where my small little funnel go. I have the bigger funnel but not the small one. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these oils up, guys. I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and I hope you enjoy your day when it comes. I know, guys, it's you work all year round, and even when this day comes around, you don't even get any time for yourself, not even to get a little rest or anything like that. But it will come one day. It will really come one day. So I hope everyone just enjoy their Mother's Day. Try to make something for yourself, or just try to, you know, give yourself, if you don't have anyone to give yourself a massage, give you a massage. Try to do it yourself. Like, I mean, mothers deserve it, guys. You deserve it. So I am putting together here something for you for Mother's Day. As you can see, I was just using this oil and it comes out so thick, guys. So also I want to let you know about citrus oil. Citrus oil, they are uplifting and energizing. Sometimes mamas can use a little boost of energy. Citrus oil can help with stress and uplifting the mood. So there you go. You can get citrus oil, any citrus oil, lemon, lime, sweet orange, all these different kind of oils, and you can use it to make a spray, a room spray. You can use it in your distillery, your diffuser, sorry, you know, and give yourself a little, mood change. I know what it's like sometimes. I have two of my own, guys, and I know sometimes it's really, really hard. So let me go ahead and drop these in. I'm almost done anyways. And then I'm gonna top this little bottle off here with some oil. I don't know which one I'm using right now. I have several of them right now. I think I had 4 here. And I have the avocado oil, the coconut oil, I have sweet almond oil, and I have almond oil. And then I have this other oil. Anyways, just top it off when you're finished, and this little roller bottle is ready to go. Just give it a try, guys. It is really interested. And I'm going to show you after this. I'm going to be showing you how this doesn't come out a lot in this roller bottle. In this roller bottle here, it come out just smoothly. As always, guys, do a patch test. I'm always saying that because my body and your body is not the same. So do a patch test, and if you get a bubble, do not use it. That means you're allergic to something in there. And if you, I will give it an hour or two the most. And if you don't see anything, that means you're ready to use this oil. Sometimes people body do change, so when you're using oils, you have to do a patch. Isn't that pretty? This is so pretty. I mean, I want to use pink gloves today, but because I see so many pinkish on my tablecloth today, I decided let me go ahead with the blue. So I'm hoping everyone can try this. You know what oil is in it. As you can see here, it's not a lot that comes out of it, and just try to use it. And this is not expensive whatsoever, guys. This will take 4 to 5 minutes to make, but for preparation, like preparing your oils, and you get your oils. For me, I have so much oils, and then I have to find all these oils that I want to use. But for you, you wouldn't be having so much oil as I do. If you need to make whatever I'm showing you what to make, you will go ahead and buy these oils. And then sometime you can get these oils all in one. Alright, guys, thanks so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Bye.